Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Caroline, at Caroline Archer. And this is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell, 1970s, and Osmovana. And our theme was cats. I love doing cat manicures. So much fun. Let's get on into it. I'm starting off with Model 1's base coat on my nail tips here. Can't remember which ones I used the almond ones from Painted Desert. You know, cat claws. So, I'm going to get some base coat on them, cure that for 60 seconds under the UV LED lamp. And then we're going to get on into it with this Sexy Mix Soak Off Gel. And this is 1ASM1348. Hate it when they don't give them names, but it's just black. You could use any black in your collection. You could even be using regular nail polish. It doesn't have to be gel. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. I'm just showing you an idea. So we're getting that black on there, and that's a really good one. You know, y'all know I don't do gel polish a whole lot. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're going to put a matte top coat on these because I'm going to be playing with some powders and stuff. Because you guys know, I got to go all out because it's a collab. I'm going to cure that under the UV lamp, 60 seconds, and BP 102. I'll be using the Sticky Stamp and Polish in Clear from She Modern and the She Modern Stamper. And we're just going to stamp out some images on those nail tips in this clear, and then we're going to play on them some more here in a minute. Now, I will have links and hashtags and all that good stuff down in the description box if you'd like to go out there and check out the other cat manicures. I love how you can see that. How pretty. Such a cute image. But yeah, definitely go check out the other manicures over on Instagram. And maybe drop by and wish Miss Caroline a very happy birthday. Because that's what we do here in our nail community. Let's support each other, love on each other, show some appreciation, and all that good stuff. So I am getting this excess up off with a piece of tape. Now, I know that's really hard to see, but I love that there is a clear stamping polish, a sticky stamping polish. You can take your time and get them images on there. Look how good that, I mean, they just transfer so beautifully. Perfect. And I'm just pulling different images off of this plate here. I'm doing, you know, whatever strikes my fancy here. And, because, you know, I haven't played with this plate. This is one of my kind of recent hauls. I don't know if I've shown that video yet or not. But this is a recent plate. It's sitting in my use it bucket. And I thought it was perfect that this came up, that this theme came up. I love cats. Now, I don't own a cat. I have owned cats in the past, but I'm a dog person now, right now, and maybe one day there'll be another cat in my, you know, life. But cats are funny. They're you know, they've normally got really strong personalities, and I love that. And I hope Miss Caroline loves all the kitty cat manicures that we're doing here to celebrate her birthday. Back in there with that piece of tape. And you can't see it on camera. It's just so hard. And I'm even having to turn it with the light to try to make sure I'm even getting it on the nail when I place it. It's a little crazy, but I do like it. I like that there's an option like that. You know. So we're going to turn this around and get these little paw prints here. Love, love, love it. So cute. And I really do like this plate. I really do. I'm so excited to have just a cat only plate. You know, that way I don't have to use like 20 different plates to do a manicure. Oh, that's adorable. And it would look cute just like that, you know. But we're not going in that direction today. I'm cleaning that plate with acetone, wiping it down. And these are some like chrome powders that I got. I believe these came from either AliExpress or Born Pretty. I'd have to go back in my videos. And I'm just tapping some of the purple into each nail, and some of the blue will go onto each nail. I'm just kind of using both of them, intermingling, matching, whatever. And I am using a different makeups. I guess that's a eyeshadow brush. I don't know what they're called. Poofies. I'm using those to apply them initially. You know, dipping down into my little pots. And I didn't want to contaminate the purple and blue, so I did use different ones. I've got some of these kind of, they're earmarked just for these colors, and so whenever I use them, I break the same ones out and use them and abuse them until they just fall apart. And then I break out some new ones. So I'm going in with my little fishy brush. I've let them dry for a little bit, and now I'm going to dust off the excess powder, glitter chrome powder. I guess it's more chrome than glitter. I don't know. But I'm going to brush some of that off of there. Get that all cleaned up. And then I'm going to top it with the Model 1's glossy top coat. I did the matte so that the glitters wouldn't stick to the shiny top coat. And that looks really cute. And I am smearing a little bit of that glitter. Or maybe I didn't do a very good job brushing it all off. But whatever, it's all good. As long as the manicure turns out, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I do try to wipe my brush off over on my paper towel in between, just in case. And here we go with the I Love Cats. Oh my gosh. The kitty cats. But I really enjoyed this one, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you guys. I am trying to, I do a lot of stamping, but I like to kind of up it by doing the reverse stamping or some of this like chrome powder stamping, or I'm planning on even doing some foil stamping manicures soon, so that, you know, I'm not just doing the same old every time. But as often as I do my nails, I am going to be repeating things. So just, if this isn't your bag, come back tomorrow, because there'll be something else going on. I might be doing another nail art version that maybe you're more into. So look at that. I love the little kitty cat face. It's so cute. And then the I Love Cats. And then two kitty cats. And then the paw prints. So I'm applying this to my natural nails using one of those little sticky tabs. And mush it down really good. Now, if you're planning on wearing these for, like, you know, as long as you can wear them, I would recommend that when you do the next step where I'm pushing it down, that you really get, you know, get on it and push down and hold for a while. Push, 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 mush, 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 so that it adheres really well. I'm not going to do that on video today. I am going to push it and mush it, but I ain't going to go just crazy. Not too crazy. So there they are. Aren't they cute? I'm going to wipe them off real quick so that get the smudges off from me applying them. Alright, so here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.